Are you preparing to move your belongings into self-storage? Whether you're a family, an individual, or a business, cleaning and decluttering before storing your items is essential. In this video, we'll guide you through the process to ensure you maximize your storage space and keep your items in top condition. The first step in preparing for self-storage is to declutter. This means going through each room or area and deciding what to keep, what to donate, and what to throw away. Be honest with yourself about what you really need and use, as this will help you save space and money in the long run. Once you've decluttered, it's time to clean your items. Start by dusting off furniture, appliances, and other large items. For textiles like clothing and linen, make sure they're freshly laundered before packing them away. Use sturdy, high-quality boxes and packing materials to protect your belongings. Label each box clearly with its contents and the room it belongs to, which will make it easier to find and access your items when you need them. When it comes to storing your belongings, organization is key. Create a layout for your storage unit that maximizes space and allows for easy access to your items. Finally, consider investing in climate-controlled storage for delicate or valuable items that may be sensitive to temperature and humidity fluctuations. This will help preserve your belongings and ensure they remain in excellent condition while in storage. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a clean and decluttered self-storage experience. With a bit of planning and organization, you can rest easy knowing your items are safely stored and easily accessible whenever you need them.
For affordable, clean, safe, and secure self-storage, visit us at Arcos Self-Storage today.